Hello mental health heroes, welcome to the Academy. Time to meet our guest for today, Professor Pinwheel. He is here to teach you how taking a moment to breathe can make you feel calm and relaxed. Before we start, he needs you to help him with his pinwheel. It needs a big gust of air to make the pinwheel move. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, blow. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, blow. We did it! Notice how you had to really push your lungs to make a big gust of air. Your lungs are important to help you breathe. The professor is ready to teach. Now we are going to learn how to control your breathing. This is really helpful when you feel angry, scared, or sad. Listen to the instructions closely. Let's take a big breath in together. Breathe in through your nose and hold it for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Now breathe out through your mouth. You can even make a sigh as you let your breath go. Now let's try it again. This time I want you to focus on the pinwheel in the professor's hand. Let's see if we can slowly make it spin. Breathe in. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Nice and slow. You want it to feel like you are in control of your breathing. Don't force it out. Let's try again. This time, remember to really focus on the pinwheel. Breathe in. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. That's perfect. Look at the pinwheel spin. Whenever you feel like your emotions are going to overwhelm you, you can imagine that you have your own pinwheel in front of you. Practice the slow breathing in and out technique to make it spin in your mind. After you've taken a few breaths, you'll start to feel calm, ready to learn and think more clearly.